Hello friends. Hi guys. Hello all YouTube viewers. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening to all. Namaste to all. How are you all friends? I am fine here. I am Devarkonda Muralidhar. You are watching Devarkonda Touch Tech Info YouTube English channel. Welcome to my YouTube English channel. Welcome to Devarkonda Touch Tech Info YouTube English channel. I am great thankful to all of you because of still now you have watched my videos in my channel, and great thanks. Today guys, let us learn how to create a Gmail account in this video. So previously in Telugu I have told about how to create Gmail account. So in this version, English version also, today we will learn. So step by step procedure how to create a Gmail account. Within few minutes we can learn it. Let's go start friends. So without wasting our time, once again I am telling to you people, I don't know English very well. I can't speak nicely. I can't speak fluently in English. If I speak any wrong grammar or grammatical mistakes in my English speaking, try to understand that language and try to get the correct meanings with your English grammar book or English book. Okay friends, please excuse me for not speaking properly in anywhere in this video or in any video friends, because of why I am telling you in every video means because of I can't speak perfect English, fluent English. That's why try to understand my language friends. Okay, let's go. So still now friends, if anybody not subscribed to my channel, if you come to YouTube website, you just click here in the search box. So Devarkonda Touch Tech Info or DTT Info, you immediately can get my web page. My web page means here YouTube page. So there you can get that Devarkonda Touch Tech Info my channel, and you can find that subscribe button, red color subscribe button beside that title, or otherwise if you are using in mobile mode, you can get that red color subscribe button below the video. So please immediately click on the subscribe button and select the all option or personalized option. So after clicking the bell button, or after clicking the bell symbol, so you can easily find out that bell button beside that subscribe button. So don't forget to click the all or personalized option after clicking the bell button. Why? Because if you do like this, you can get the messages or notifications to your mobile before than all others. So when I make a new videos, when I make a new update in my channel, so you can't miss any of my videos in my channel. So that's why I'm requesting you, that's why I'm telling to everybody, please subscribe to my channel. So try to give support to my channel friends. It's my kind request to all of you. Okay friends, thank you. Give support to my channel so I can do more videos, number of videos in English also. Okay friends, let's go next. So these are the playlist. You can watch my videos. See friends, if anybody want to read this information, you can pause here and read it immediately, no problem. If you like this video, please like it and share to your friends, family members, known people, everybody. How many people you can know it, that many people you can share it friends. It's very good thing, good manner to share to other peoples, and it is a good way to share to other peoples, not only knowing information you, but also they can know others. So if you have any doubts, you can come and ask your doubts. In groups are available. So I have created a Facebook page and Facebook group, and WhatsApp, Telegram, and other Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn apps are also available. So you can come and join in that groups and ask your doubts. Whatever you have, ask. Definitely I will clarify your doubts, friends, and also give your valuable advice, also suggestions. Also definitely I will take it too. So I will follow your great advice and suggestions. So one thing, please don't forget to share to your friends and family members, to others, neighbors, everybody. And also, if you please like it, please like this video, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe. So give support to my channel, friends. It's my kind request. So you can get that all these links below that video in the description itself. Every video you can find it, friends. Okay, friends, don't forget to share and like this video, and subscribe this button, and hit the bell button. So one more thing is, kindly don't skip my any videos, otherwise you may get confused and you cannot understand perfectly and clearly. So therefore watch each video continuously and sequentially in each topic. So it's my kind request. Okay, friends, wait. So here now today, so I will tell how to create Gmail account. This picture, so what I told in the main topics list, so that picture I have added here to understand properly. Email accounts creation in English. So email accounts creation. So how to create a new Gmail email account, friends. Let us learn how to create a new Gmail account in this video. So why late? Let's go watch and learn how. Learn now, immediately. So everybody have different browsers, internet browsers. You can use any of your browser, whatever you have in your laptop or in your system or in your smartphone. So go to the Google Chrome browser or Internet Explorer browser or Mozilla Firefox browser or Opera Mini browser and start the work. So actually, so before opening that our site, so required data to sign up for a new Gmail account is your full name is required, your Gmail ID, your password required, and so you must, but password means you must and should alphabet, so one lower and one uppercase, so that is the numbers, special characters. Enter strong password according to instructions, online instructions. So don't forget to give the very low strength, so give a high strength password, so then it is very useful. So you can't lose your password. So if you lose means definitely you can change your password immediately. So whenever you want to. So but give the strong password. And you need a mobile number, your date of birth and gender, so male or female like that, so your country and place, alternate email ID. So why means mobile number and alternate email ID is must and should. So alternate email ID also you can give it later, but mobile number is compulsory, friend. So why is means alternate email ID? So to recover your email ID or to reset your login, so you can change your password, or you can change your any mobile number also using the email ID. Okay, login password, everything. So profile photo also how to upload, I will tell it. Okay, friends. So this is page how it will be after entering into that Gmail website. Okay, friends. Okay. So watch or see any video, listen completely. Okay, friends. Any education, learn, like, share. Any work, learn, do hardly, earn more money slowly, no talent needed. So please don't skip this video or any of my videos, friends. You may get confused, so that's why I told you, please don't skip it. But you can pause the video and you can read any information in that video, no problem, but don't skip the video. So from starting to ending of this video, please watch completely, then you can't get any doubts. So please watch end of this video or any of my videos, that's why I told. So get experience, become a trainer. So teach or tell or explain to anybody or everybody, be happy, get satisfaction. Okay, let's start our work, friends. Friends, if you come to browser, I have opened Google Chrome. So here you can type directly google.com. So come to google.com here. So like this, type www.google.com and press enter key. You can get the google.com homepage. Here you can type Gmail in this box, gmail.com. So this is one way you can create a Gmail account or logging into the Gmail account. So this one procedure. So otherwise you can go to here. So directly if you take this new tab like this, so I am closing here. So here type your website www.gmail.com. gmail.com. See friends, so what happened, www.gmail.com. so internet is there. So yes, internet access is there connected. So now it is opening Google Gmail website. So let us wait for a few seconds. So I think internet is very fast, but site may be down maybe. So most of the time Google Gmail it won't get slow. Let us wait. Either our side, my side, my internet may be slow. Okay friends. Okay, it's coming, opening. Okay, let us clear the history. So I think it takes a lot of time now. I will clear that I will clear the history things, history matter what we have browsed. So then only it may improve fast. Wait for a few seconds, friends. Now I am pausing this video here, friends. Wait. Slow. So now it's corrected. So after opening your Gmail website, so please click on create an account button. So at the top right side, so you can easily find it. Click on this button, create an account button. So we are going to create a new account now, that's right. So after clicking on that button, it's opening the account opening page, Gmail account opening page. Let us wait for a few seconds. So you can finish within 15 minutes or 20 minutes, friends, no problem. So I think internet is slow maybe, so not getting fast, not coming in internet quickly. So but access, internet access connected. I think evening time or morning time sometimes it may be slow. Okay friends, now our page, creating account page is over. Sorry, creating Google account page is opened. So here Aadhaar card, as per your Aadhaar card, so follow it. So here I am typing my name, so you can type your name. So because of see friends, one thing I forgot. So here you can select, if you go back 1 minute friends. So personally one Gmail account you can create it, or business purpose you can create account. So for that, so let's go back again, gmail.com. So I think it is not asked. Let us check up once again. So I am going to create a new Gmail account as DTT info English @gmail.com. So for that, it becomes as a business email account now. So let us see. So where it is that option after creating a new account. So maximum it shows after clicking that. Slowly it working today. I think slow. Irritating the over time. Getting angry on this internet. So not always. In few times only. Okay friends, see here, create an account. Click on that, create an account. Slowly it is loading the page very slowly, so not so, very slow, so middle. So you don't think any of our other sounds in our home. So children may speak, talk, make noise in our home. Please don't keep concentration on those sounds. Here I am typing my name. My name means so according to Gmail account where to create now. So DTT info English. Let us see. Last name, you please type your last name here. First name here you can enter your first name, and here you can enter your last name. Okay friends, and type your desired Gmail account name. So what you are going to create a new account. So here I am typing DTT info English. DTT info English I typed here. Let's see. DTT info English. Okay, type no problem. Now you type your password for your Gmail account. So give a strong password as per what choice already told you. So give a strong password, alphabets, name, numbers, and upper one, lower one, uppercase, and also one special character. So give it. So give a big password. So remember and write down anywhere. And whenever if you want to change this your password, you please change your password immediately. So with your mobile number after logging into Gmail account. So either change your password with your mobile number or as per your alternate email ID. So what you have given. So here I am typing password. So and again retype your same password. Once again type it. So if you want to check your password whether you have typed correct or wrong, you please click on this I symbol. So one time if you click on this button, you can able to see your password, typed password. So if you click again one second time, so automatically it will disable. So you can't see that your typed password. So that is the thing. They have given a small symbol here. Okay friends, let's go and click on the next button. So after completion of your first page, so check once again your name, first name, last name, and your username. So username means here your Gmail account name. So and your password. So click on the next button. So very simple friends. So you can create your Gmail account within 2 to 5 minutes. So but I am creating video now, it takes some lot of time depending on the internet speed. So nothing more than that. So it's very simple, it's very easy. So everybody can create new account. So if you know already Gmail account, you can please tell to your friends how to create a Gmail account through this video, or you can share this video. Please, if you like. So now it is opening next second page, second screen. So I have clicked now. So wait for few seconds, friends. It's going to creating next page. It is going to moving to next page, next screen. So there we can see so what we have to type. So now we came to next screen. So here see, this is the second screen. Here friends, it is asking your mobile number and your alternate email ID and your date of birth and your gender. So please enter as per instructions. So I am typing here my mobile number. So here everybody see my mobile numbers also, but these mobile numbers I can't lift calls, friends, because of so many friends, so many YouTube viewers also may call to my number. So that's why I cannot lift phone calls. So if any in any time if I tell means definitely I will lift the call. So for the particular time. So maximum you please tell your any doubts, ask your doubts, give your comments and sections through YouTube comments section, or otherwise come and join in the group sections in social media chatting sites. There you can ask your doubts, and please maximum I can't lift the call. So in any video, especially if I prepare, if I make a special video, so so definitely you can call to my mobile number. Definitely I will clarify your doubts through phone call. So in those days, in that time, you can call it. So maximum this mobile number it won't work. It will be in the data I have kept in the modem. So that's why I can't able to call. Okay, friends. Here you please type your any alternate email ID. If you don't have any email ID, please type your friends, your family members email ID, and after that you can get the second email ID. You can change that alternate email ID. Okay, friends. Yeah, I am typing alternate email ID. So what we have our channel email ID is that I am typing here. touchtechinfo@gmail.com. Okay, friends, like that you can type correct your alternate email ID without mistakes. So if you type wrong email ID, it won't take. Devarkonda touchtechinfo@gmail.com. Okay, friends, now I am typing date of birth. So you type your date of birth correctly. So now after typing your date of birth, select your gender. So either male or female, like that. So now today internet or website may be slow. So internet is checked fast. Okay, friends, after clicking that options, you please check once again your mobile number. You can get an OTP to your mobile. Please type that OTP after the next screen. Then you can automatically your new email account it will create. Okay, friends, you click on the next button here. It moves to the next screen, third screen. It's very simple steps, so not at all difficult. Everybody can create a new Gmail account through your smartphone also. So if you should have the minimum knowledge. So minimum English knowledge, not more than that. Little knowledge enough to know it, to learn this Gmail account, how to create. So now I have already clicked on the next. So it is once again verify your phone number to make sure that this number is yours. Google will send you a text message with a 6-digit verification code, standard rates apply. So confirm, once again confirm your account. So click on the next send button. Yes friends, I have received code to my mobile, so I am checking. So it's old mobile, so my mobile numbers are not working properly, it's completely dead. So I have used another mobile to get this code. So here please enter your verification code what Google has sent to your mobile. So check your mobile. So I am typing here verification code 457 267 267. Okay friends, now I have typed. So after entering your 6-digit verification code correctly in that box, please click on the verify button. So this is the steps. These are the steps. So to create a new Gmail account. Next, after clicking the verify button, let us see. So what screen it appears, what screens it comes. So I think almost we have done. So we have created. So definitely we will move to the creating page. So see, get more from your mobile, from your number. So if you like, you can add your phone number to your account for use across Google services. Learn more. For example, your number will be used to receive video calls or messages to make Google services, including ads, more relevant to you. So like that, it is asking some options. So okay, you just click on that. No need to worry. You please click on that. Yes, I am in. Enough. So some new options it has asking. So no problem. It's a very few matter, little matter to understand. Let us wait a few seconds friends. We are going to creating new account, Gmail account. Yes, it is asking privacy and terms and conditions. So just scroll down here and you just please study your privacy and terms and conditions here and click on that I agree button. Okay friends, wait for few seconds friends. It's over. It's going to creating a new Gmail account and it is taking us into Gmail account to main page, first page. So see friends, it is loading Gmail account. So almost everything is finished, 100% over. So it takes sometimes it takes within 2 to 5 minutes also we can create a Gmail account. So depending on your internet, depending on your smartphone speed, so it takes a lot of time or it takes a few minutes. That's it, not more than that. It's very simple friends, don't get irritation like that. So it's very simple. So be patient. So here it is loading Gmail account. Now it's over. almost all everybody know how to create a Gmail account. So why I am explaining, why I am telling this creating new account means some people, so some new students, new persons, they don't know, so new guys, so for them only I am telling this information how to create Gmail account. This is not useful to all knowledgeable people, so they can teach to any others, they can teach to everybody. So this is only for no knowledge persons only, so not for all persons. Okay guys, after seeing here you can see this is our Gmail account homepage. You can see options. So compose means you can create a new mail to any others. So if anybody send any emails, any information to your email, you can see in your inbox, like so if you are using smartphone, so how anybody send any message to your mobile, how you can see in your inboxes, like that. So same, some features will change here. So inbox stored, so it is asking now welcome. So email by Google, simple, smart and secure. So welcome, it is telling to, so first time you are logging into know, so first time you are creating Gmail account, that's why it is telling to you welcome screen. So click on the next button. So Google has sent to you can create in comfortable or compact option or default mode, any mode you can select here. So default I have kept as this. See friends, now we have come to our Gmail account we have created. So one email came, so let us see, so what is they have sent. Click on the inbox button. So see Google Communications, Devarkonda, welcome to your new Gmail account, like that. Whatever you have given the first name or last name, so it takes it shows your first name. See friends, this is they have sent to first email account. Okay friends, if you want to delete it, you can click on this delete button. Completely first of all it goes to the here our dustbin place, and from the dustbin, if you delete your emails, permanently it will delete from your Gmail account. Okay friends, so click on this inbox account. So see friends, so maximum you can keep your Gmail data 15 GB. So first time after creating a Gmail account, Google has given 15 GB data free. So if you want to get more GB, you have to pay the money to them. So then only can increase. So no need to pay money to them. So with 15 GB, you can use it, you can utilize it. So according to your emails. So unnecessary emails, please delete it later and use it important to keep in your Gmail important emails. Okay friends, this is for stored emails. If you want to click any stored emails, or if anybody send emails by keeping the store button, so you can see here. So next to snooze is there. Snooze is keeping an alarms for that emails, and this is the sent. So if I keep in star, so this email I have kept. I have clicked the start button. So see, if you click the start button, it shows again. So some slow internet, maybe some slow. See friends, okay. Now you can click this here more button. If you click on this more button, you can see. So I think it's taking a lot of time, friends. So no problem. in your mobile you can get it quickly, no problem. It's today it's very slow, that internet maybe. Okay friends, wait friends. Unnecessary emails in your Gmail account, it comes here, and you can select all your unnecessary emails and completely can delete it from your account. So okay friends, so I will tell later one by one, step by step. So how to delete Gmail, how to delete unnecessary emails or necessary emails, you can keep, how to keep it, and how to upload. So one picture only I will tell you to how to upload your profile picture here. So remaining settings everything I will tell in another video friends. Okay, so you just click on this here, D symbol is, then you can click on this profile round picture, circle picture. So can, after click on that, select here this circle camera picture here, click it. So after click on that camera option here, so it asks to load any of your profile picture. So whatever you have that picture, you can upload to your Gmail account. It's very simple friends. One hour it takes. Okay friends, I think it takes a lot of time. I will tell in another video friends. Okay, unnecessarily wasting time. Okay, it's coming. Okay, let's go once again. Let's see. So it is not working, that's why I close it. So let's see, now it came. Select it. Please click select a photo from your computer tasks. No? You please click on this option. So otherwise you can drag and drop here your photos here. So in any way you can do it here. So I'm going to drag and dropping picture here. So I have to clear some cookies, I think. That's why it is going to moving lately. Slowly it is opening. Okay friends, the task is again now. So like this it takes a lot of time and so we get irritation. So select your photo where you have kept in your computer or from your smartphone. So the location you have to select it to upload the picture. So I forgot to keep that picture in desktop itself. So that's taking a lot of time. It's not opening immediately. I am also getting irritated. So it is not like that always, friends. So only sometimes only. Now it is going to uploading that picture I have selected now. Let's wait for few seconds, friends. I am uploading our channel, the Orgontastic Info profile picture. So like this, when uploading the picture it shows like this, it's uploading like this. It's very simple, friends, simple. So now we finished. So just how to log out from the mobile, sorry, how to log out from the Gmail account, I will tell it after completion of this uploading picture. So you just set the picture with the cropping option. So how much picture if you want to display on your profile picture. So I have selected completely, and after cropping your picture, so according to your wish, according to your designing or according to your setup, so set your picture with this option and click on that set as a profile photo. Enough. So that's it, guys. That's it, friends. That's it, guys. These is the very simple steps. These are the very simple steps to create a Gmail account. This is the procedure. Okay, friends. So after logging into second time, you can able to see your profile picture, friends. Okay. Now I am going to closing this Gmail account. Just to click on this account circle button, and then see, you can see the sign out option. See, friends, I am moving this my picture here. So click on this sign out button. So automatically compulsory don't forget to sign out or log out your Gmail account when you complete your work in your Gmail account. So if you without sign out or without log out option, so if you close that Gmail account immediately, so somebody may hack your account. So that's why we please remember, don't forget to don't disclose your password to anybody. Keep your Gmail account password secretly in any way, in any manner, so as per your choice. So if you know somebody is hacked your Gmail account, means immediately you can change your password with your mobile number. So your password with your mobile number or with your alternate email ID. Okay, friends. Now we are going to logging out from the Gmail account. Okay, friends. Now we have logged out. We have signed out from Gmail account. So like this, we can create a new Gmail account, and we have logged out from the account, from logged out from the Gmail account. So now how to logging into the our new Gmail account. So what we have created now. So just please click on that. Here you can able to see your Gmail option. Otherwise you can type your gmail.com like this, www.gmail.com. Okay friends, after entering into Gmail home page, you can see the sign in button or login button. So it takes some minutes more. So otherwise it takes a few minutes only. Sometimes only it like that, not always. Opening. It's still opening. So already I have opened another tab. So like this. So if you already open means it shows like this. So otherwise means the add account means you please click on this add account. If it does not see, if you did not see that this your Gmail account or any another email account, if you want to log into desired email account, please click on the add account. Otherwise, if you are able to see this screen, you can click on this sign in button here. You please click on this sign in button here. Immediately it takes into the sign in page or login page, and there you can enter your email ID, email account what you have created. So that email ID how to give to there, and enter your password there. Immediately it takes into your Gmail account. Okay friends, so this is the procedure. So create new account. So I clicked on sign in button. So it is opening, slowly opening. Today what happened I don't know. So like this. So this page you can able to get it. So here you please type your Gmail account. So I am typing here DTT English @gmail. So this is a demo email account friends. So we are using another email account for teaching to you people any other information. So I will use this demo account. Okay friends, so after typing your Gmail account completely, or otherwise you can type up to here. So @gmail.com you can delete it, and you can use your before that username you can use it. So other can type completely. So as per your choice, and click on that next button. So this is the way, this is the procedure to sign into your Gmail account. So I told how to create a Gmail account, and how to log in after creating new account, how to log in your new account, or how to log in into your Gmail account. So later. So I told how I showed to you people how to log out from your Gmail account also. So don't forget to log out from your Gmail account after completion of your work. So now it is going to come in next screen. Okay friends, here it is asking password, your Gmail password. Enter your Gmail password or type your Gmail password here friends. Okay friends, so I am typing here password. Okay friends, if you typed any incorrect password here, so please check with this I button. So once you click this button, you can able to see your password what you have typed. So second time if you press this I button, I color button, you can able to disappear that password, or you can disappear that password what you typed. So this is the small option they have given, so you can utilize it. So after typing correct password, you please click on the next button. So don't type wrong password. If you type wrong password, it shows a red color. So you have typed wrong password, please type correct password like that. So now it is going to opening our Gmail account. It is logging into our account. So like that, after creating your Gmail account or any of your email account, you can log in like this. So this is the way to logging into your Gmail email account. So actually we will tell the email account. Email means what email? Gmail or Yahoo or Red, like that, or Microsoft account like that. So which email? This is a Gmail email account. So it is now going to opening our Gmail account. Let us see. I think it has stopped again. Continue to Gmail. It is asking again what happened or no. Once again I have clicked it. Let us check it. What happened? Why it is not opening? Some few error, some error came to opening. So everybody will finish within 10 minutes or 15 minutes, friends. So within 5 minutes also they will show, because of they will editing that video and or 5 minutes also. But I have to teach completely, so step by step process. That's why it takes a lot of time. So don't getting irritating to you, friends, from your body. Please keep patience, laugh, give a smile. So now already we have typed our password, so it is asking again. If you want to type it, so you can type your password once again in that password box. So I not typed, just I have selected. So let us see. So whether it is open or not opening. It will open or not open, we will see. We see. Taking for me also getting irritation like this opening means rotating, still rotating. Sometimes it's like that. Okay friends, now it is showing our Gmail main page. Now we are going to opening. Yes, success. We have opened our Gmail account successfully. So like this friends, everybody can open, everybody can logging into your Gmail account by using your Gmail ID and password. So write down your Gmail account or keep in your mind your Gmail ID and password, or write down in any notebook. So I think definitely Gmail website may be slow, or my internet is slow. Means my internet is fast. I checked, so I have paused the video and I have checked now. So it's opening very quickly. Maybe Gmail account slow. Maximum that site won't slow. It's always perfect, always fast. Google is number one. Gmail website is the number one in the world. See how much it takes to loading the page. So I am also getting irritation. Okay, let's finish our video. So after showing this Gmail inbox, definitely will close this video. So I have checked internet also is there. Okay friends, so this is the method. Okay friends, now click on that circle button here, right side, top right side corner, and select sign out button, and click on that sign out button. So immediately you can log out your Gmail account. That's it guys. Okay friends, now I'm closing. So this is procedure. Now let's go to the next one. See friends, this is the method that how to create a new email account. Now you have all understood and known perfectly. Like this, you have to create a new Gmail email account easily, friends. Okay. Okay, friends. So just I have added that Google homepage how to create. So this is the method how to create. Yes, once again I'm showing that page. If anybody not subscribed to my channel, friends, so please subscribe to my channel. This is my kind request to all of you, all YouTube viewers, all interested people. So please like my video. Please, if you like it, my video, please like it, and please don't forget to share to your friends, family members, neighbors, everybody. Please share to those people, so they can also learn how to do. And also please give support to my channel, friends. So if you give support to my channel, I can do more videos, number of videos, many videos in my channel, friends. So give support to my channel. It's my kind request to all of you. Okay, friends. That bell button, bell icon. Before than all others. So when I make a new videos in my channel, so you can't miss any of my videos. Okay, friends, this is my homepage channel. So I have created some playlist also. You can see it. Wait, friends, few seconds. I think I have not cleared some cookies around the data in my computer. That's why it takes a lot of time. Lot of time I have wasted in this video. So I thought that I have to finish within 15 minutes, but it takes more than 1 hour due to some other problems. So it asking wait for few seconds like that to program, otherwise it may be closed. Friends, I am going to open again. Okay friends, let's stop. So unnecessarily wasting our time. So quickly I have moving to another screen. Okay friends, so for completion of this video I have to do like this. What to do? Let's ask you. Okay friends, finish. Current status. Okay. Okay friends, over.